Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting an easy owl drawing with oil pastel. So let us start. Using white oil pastel, draw a big U on a black drawing sheet. Draw two lines coming downwards for the ears. Join the two ears with a slight curved line. Draw two big circles for the eyes as shown. Draw two small circles within the big circles and draw a triangle for the beak. Then draw two curves for the wings. Draw a branch and some leaves. Color the owl using colors of your choice. Make sure you color neatly with the lines, filling the space properly. Then color the branch and leaves as shown. You can now draw some stars and a moon in the background. Finally, to complete your drawing, add some patterns on the body and wings of the owl using black oil pastel. This is our final drawing. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share the video if you like the video. And please subscribe our channel. Keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.